Now we're into video 3 of the Golden Ad Report. Well, essentially, now that you understand the concept, which I know that many of you already did, but here's the visual concept of taking these video views or top of funnel, running into a mid funnel, which is a hot 7 or a step 2, and then of course testing that between the landing page, lead, VSL, sales page, or whatever you have. Maybe it's just strictly e-commerce. Remember, this is a good slide that you can always print off. Of course, you always have access to the PDFs to really take a look at, okay, do I want to drive some really quick exposure to, let's say, retargeting, maybe their testimonials, maybe you want to move somebody next step in the funnel, or do you want to test out the different objectives to check out the different costs? This is a really great slide to print off with the PDF that you're always taking a look at to determine what are those costs and how do they measure with one another. Because really what happens is now it comes down to making sure that you're setting up your funnel. So of course, before you do anything else, you want to make sure that you take care of all of your bottom of funnel activities like we reviewed in previous videos. We want to make sure that's the add to cart or the visit sales page, time on site, or lead or conversion optimization. But basically what you want to do is just think, if someone goes to my sales page or add to cart, what videos are they going to see their testimonials or brand awareness? And you've heard me talk about it a bunch, but what I want you to do is make sure you pick up the retargeting recipes. It's sitting right here on my desk. It really helps you think through